want to do a fun project, I am going to make a floral letter using this letter that I got from my craft store. I also picked out this beautiful bouquet of flowers. I just stuck with a color scheme. So I have all of these, and basically what I'm going to do is decorate this letter with these flowers and turn it into its own arrangement. Alright, so now it's time to start arranging your flowers onto your letter. I'm going to start with the purple, the pretty lavender. I'm going to put it there. I think I will do one of these white ones after that. Then pink. And then you keep going until you get kind of, you know, an arrangement going. So I'm going to finish that now. Just getting these last two glued down. Make sure you have a nice amount of glue there. You want it to stay. I'm just gonna stick it right there. Nice and easy. And we are done with this first part. Now we move on to filling in. So you can just kind of see where you like them, see how each one looks. I have purplish ones and then I have the blue ones. So just gonna see how I like them. Alright, so I have secured my last one. This is so cute, you guys. Like, it makes me smile just looking at the colors and how pretty it is, honestly. You can do whatever colors you want. But this is just kind of how it's looking right now. I'll show you carefully because it's not completely dry. But look at that. The colors. I love them. Okay. So the very last step is just putting in the baby spread. And again, this step is optional. You don't necessarily have to have it, but it is just something cute to add a little extra touch to it. I'm going to go ahead and get mine glued down. So now you have a very pretty floral letter arrangement that you can use for decor in your room, anywhere in your house. This will be a perfect gift for someone for their birthday, weddings, baby showers, any type of occasion. You can use this. You can use any letter, any color, just make it work for you.